Okay, so we're going to have a look at a question from the 2020 HSC Standard 2 Maths paper. This is question 16 from the paper. So we're given a triangle. The triangle looks like this. This is 8. We're told this is 10. We're told this angle is theta. This distance is called x and it's unknown. Find the value of theta correct to the nearest degree. Okay. So we have the opposite side, we have the adjacent side, we can use tan. So we're going to say tan of theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. This means theta is equal to arctan of opposite over adjacent. So the arctan, by the way, is the same as tan minus 1. Many of you will identify this as tan minus 1. The correct name for this is arctan. So shift tan on the calculator, 8 over 10, that gives me, correct to the nearest degree, it will be 38.659 ... So if we round this, we will get theta is equal to 39 degrees to the nearest degree. It's very important if they tell you to round in a particular way that you follow that rule, because if you don't follow the rule, if you don't round, you're not going to get the answer mark. The answer marks are quite strict. They need that to the nearest degree. Now for part B, we've been told find the value of x to one decimal place. We can actually use Pythagoras theorem for this. We know that x squared is 8 squared plus 10 squared. So this means x is the square root of 64 plus 100. This is the square root of 164. So on the calculator, square root 164 gives me 12.8064 ... Correct to one decimal place was the instruction we've been given. So therefore x is equal to 12.8 to one decimal place. And this is the answer here. Now in terms of the marking, for the first one, you need to use a trigonometric ratio or equivalent merit. So something like the use of tan rule to get the first mark. To get the second mark, you need 39 nearest degree. So exactly 39. For part B, for the first mark, you either need to use trig or Pythagoras theorem or some equivalent to try and find the missing side length. In order to get the answer mark, you need 12.8. It needs to be rounded correctly. So this is how we do question 16 from the 2020 Standard 2 Maths paper.